I want to do is that I now want to create a header, okay? So what I need to do is go into my insert, go into my insert tab here and select header, okay? It doesn't say what style I want. I just need to add a header that says water fact sheet and today's date. Okay, so I'm going to select this style here. And I'm just going to put in what it says. I want a header that says water fact sheet. And today's date is, it is the 26th of November 2018. Okay. Now I want to format the header. All right, where are my directions? I want to format my header to Times New Roman with an 8-point font. Okay, so I just select all that, and I go back to home, and then I go to, wants to be Times New Roman, and I want it to be 8. Okay, it's pretty small, that's all right. That's what they told us to do. Next thing I want to do is I want to add page numbers to the bottom right. Okay, so in order to do that, click out of that. Now I'm on the body of my text, and same thing. Go to insert. So I want page numbers at the bottom right. Okay. Page numbers to the bottom right. Okay. Sorry, back to insert. Footer. Okay. And we'll click on page number. Page number right. Yes. Get rid of that because I don't want anything else. And now I can see that I've got page numbers in the bottom right of my document. The next thing I want to do is I want to replace the word consume with the word drink. Okay. So in order to do that, I need to go to, up here to edit. Down here, find and replace. And I want to replace the word consume with the word drink. So I want to find the word consume and replace it with the word drink. And I want to replace all of those. Yes, thank you, Word. Okay. Carrying on. Now, I want to change the line spacing of the first paragraph to 1.5. Okay. We have to do a bunch of different line spacing of the paragraph. That's a little tedious. So I will show you how to do the first one. I'll put it on pause and then I'll do the next one. Okay. Change the line spacing of the paragraph to 1.5. So this is my first paragraph. I select everything in there. I'm just going to get rid of my find and replace. Okay. I go back to home. All right. Now I go to go back to I can double click on it, go to paragraph, and I want line and page breaks. Nope, sorry, indents and spacing. I want my spacing to be not single, but 1.5. Okay, and there we go. All right, I'm just going to do the other ones. I'll explain what I did. I'm just going to put this on pause for now. Okay. Okay, so I'm just going to keep on going. I've changed the spacing in my second paragraph to double, and let me just show you how I did that. So just click on everything that's in there, and I go to this icon here, the paragraph icon, and I just selected 2. Okay, like I said as well in the early one, I can also just select everything, double click on it, and select paragraph, and go in here to select and change my line spacing. Okay, I can also do something else. All right, if I like this, okay, I want to copy all this line spacing, and I justified I justified all of the text in this paragraph, and I want to do it to this. I want to do the same thing that I have in the second paragraph to this one. Okay, same thing. Just select all of that. I have that. Then I hit this little icon here. We'll copy formatting. Once I click on that, and then I select this paragraph, and boom, that has now just copied the format from one paragraph to the other. Okay, so I've got all that. I'm going to do the clip art later, but let's go on to the table. Okay, so at the end of the document, I want the following table. I want a table that has 1, 2, 3, 4 rows and 1, 2 columns. Okay, and that is going to be where again? At the end of the document. Okay, so let's just scroll down here. I'm at the end of the document, and in order to create a table, I just go to Insert. Oops, what was that? No. Insert. Index and tables. Okay, I want, nope, sorry, not index and tables, sorry. I want to insert here, and I want a table, and I want to insert a table, and I want, how many do again? I want, I believe it is 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. So 4 rows and 2 columns. Okay, and now I want to put in all of this text in here. Okay, I'm going to put this on pause, and I'm going to do that. Okay. Okay, so what I did was, when I was on pause, I put in that table as I showed you guys how to do that. Once again, in order to put in a table, it is insert table, follow the directions, okay? And then I just put the text in there, okay? Now, I changed the style of my table, okay? In order to change the style of my table, I go up to here, where that little cross icon is. If I click that, that selects all of my table. And now, if I go into table design, these icons here, I can change whatever style of table that I would like to have. Okay, let's go back to black and white, classic. All right, that is it then for this part of the video, and we'll carry on when we continue.